What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another review from the Breezy Mobile. My name is Sea Breezy Bearded. My name's actually Cody. Sea Breezy is just what I go by. Guys, I really appreciate y'all coming and watching another video. As many of y'all know, I'm going to be taking a step back from reviewing in the year 2021. So you'll see a couple here and there, but there's some other things I'm going to be focusing on a little bit more. So today let's talk about this one though. This is one that I've had for a while. I've tried it out. And I have a pretty good review for you guys for this. All right, so this is called KOLOURMEBB2K. Sorry about that. And this is a newer company. She's been around for with the men's product maybe about 6 months, I'd say, something like that. And she asked me to try out some of her products. So we got some beard oil, we got some beard balm, and then it came with a little brush in here. And it came with this little bag, okay? It came with this little bag. And in this bag, it's got some scissors, a comb, and a cleansing wipe to try out. So that was all pretty cool, okay? So this is her beard box. This is gonna cost you 60 bucks. This is a really cool deal though. It's got, you know, her Instagram information in there. It's got, you know, directions for how to use everything. And like I said, it comes with this brush, comes with the oil and the balm. And she's actually working on releasing a butter here very soon. So that's definitely something that's really awesome. But yeah, guys, so like I said, 60 bucks for this beard box. Absolutely awesome. And so the oil is probably the best part to me. Mostly because of the length of my beard, right? Like the balm, it's a very, we'll get more into the balm in a little bit, but it's a very heavy balm. So for me with a longer beard, it's just not the best right now. But the oil was magnificent, especially during the winter months and it being colder out. It has been very, very nice. It's a cigar scent or tobacco scent. And it's a very heavy oil, right? Or not, I shouldn't say heavy, but thick. It is a thick oil, okay? This has Haitian castor oil, hemp seed oil, organic marula oil, and then fragrance added. All right, so it's a very simple, sorry, I always suck with these child proof, or in this case Sea Breezy proof tops. Let's see if we got it. Maybe. Nope. I want to show you guys this just from a color standpoint. See how gold that is? I mean, this is just a thick oil. And it does a great job in the beard, like I said, especially in the colder months. I thoroughly enjoyed this, so highly recommend you guys go check them out. Their Instagram and website will all be linked down below in the description. All right, and then the balm. All right, the scent matches perfectly with the oil. This says it's called Sugar Mama, but so what's in here is hemp seed oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, coconut oil, shea butter, Lwil Maskriti, which is the Haitian, I can't ever pronounce that, but it's the Haitian castor oil. All right, so this is a very, as you can see, like I said, I haven't used the balm a whole lot just because for me, the balm just really wasn't doing much just because of how heavy it is. But I mean, you can tell like this is a thick balm on. So if you have a short beard, I highly recommend the balm. You are going to get some very nice style out of it, and yeah, it's gonna look good and it's gonna feel good. So highly recommend the balm to somebody with a shorter beard, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And like I said, she's got some butter that she's gonna be dropping soon. So for all you long bearded fellers, once that drops, you'll be able to go check that out. And you know, I know she's gonna make that into something awesome as well, just like the rest of these products. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is KOLOURMEBB2K, and yeah, it's fairly new. The owner has been awesome getting to talk with. I'm sorry that I'm blanking on the name right now. I didn't make any notes for this, but you know, like I said, her Instagram will be linked below and her website will be linked below as well. So guys, really appreciate y'all checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as I tell you in every video, You know, if you ever want to just chat, you don't want to jump in the comments, you would rather just talk one-on-one, my Instagram DMs are always open. My Linktree account will be linked down below for anybody that wants to head over there and chat with me. I love getting to know y'all. I love making friends with y'all and consider y'all family. So, you know, anything that y'all want to talk about, if you want to talk beards, that's great. We'll talk beards, but definitely want to talk about your hobbies, the things that y'all are into, and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and jump in the comments. We'll see you next time, guys. See Breezy Bearded. Ooh, that was really bad. We're gonna call that the blooper right there. Let's do this right. See Breezy Bearded. Out.